could have sworn we told him to be quiet.
Bro, shut it off.
Oh, God.
Oh my God, bro.
What the fuck do you mean?
What? Damn, he looks light-skinned.
Bro, that's your whole fucking fuck.
That's crazy.
I don't think they can hear it, bro. Fuck her! What the fuck?
Yeah.
Like, I mean, what the fuck?
Probably in her car.
I gotta be like Rula. You know who Rula is? What is that thing? Hello?
Hey, really? Bro, it's so cold out here.
That nigga's annoying. Bro, what are you doing?
Can I record?
No, back up, nigga.
Oh, your camera shy? My bad.
Hey, bro. You want my number, nigga?
Yeah.
No.
Can I get your
You want a
number?
picture? No.
I already have a picture.
You want an autograph? No.
Now, you see? That's official latte for you.
Hey, but go subscribe.
Don't subscribe to him. Oh,
Hey, have you seen that?
Shit, nothing about shadow. Listen. So how was your day? Your day was good, bro? Sir. What you gotta say to the camera, brother? What you gotta say to the camera? Oh, you just want to chase the shadow? You know what I'm saying? Okay. I understand. That was a good interview. Okay. Sir, excuse me.
Hey, how many people you got?
Okay, can I? You have a nice car. What do you do for your living? What do you do?
Huh?
What do you do for a living? You got a nice car.
I fuck your bitch.
Oh, okay. For real?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you do for a living? You got a nice truck, hillbilly truck.
Oh. Anyways, bro, why ain't nobody texting in here, bro? Y'all need to.
Cause ain't nobody want to talk to your stupid ass. Excuse me. What you do for a living? You got a nice car right there. What you do for a living?
Sex trafficker.
Okay. Excuse me. Got a nice car. What you do for a living?
I do Pornhub.
You do? You look. Oh, Johnny Sins.
Yeah.
Oh snap! Wait, which hand?
He's actually an astronaut, a doctor, a scientist.
What you do for a living? You have a nice car.
Huh?
You have a nice car. What you do for a living?
Oh shit. Yeah. If you wanna go check it out, it's right
Okay.
here. Yeah.
Come on. Okay.
So as you can see, hey, get out of my car, bro. For real shit.
Damn.
As you can see, I fuck bitches for a living. You know?
Hey, he gonna take your girl, you know what I'm saying? Don't play with him. Then we got the wide body, big body,
Little dick.
and a biggie body.
Wait, I did not, bro. Wait.
This dude's chasing my child. We got an Audi, BMW. We're gonna ignore that right there. That's my car.
I could have slid better.
Go ahead, drive it. Take
I
it.
don't want this.
Get the fuck.
Fucking weak ass
Hey, don't
shit.
get in this bitch either. I'm sick.
You're doing a lot of cursing, sir.
Get off of my seat, nigga.
Oh my god, you're dick riding.
You're on the fucking thing.
Shut up, dick
Stupid ass nigga.
Can I-
Hey, C's always. Are you a YouTuber? Right?
Am I what?
You YouTuber?
Don't tell my life.
Huh?
Chill. Don't be telling my life.
I tell these niggas, dude.
Don't let nobody know.
What are you doing?
I ain't trying to cuss niggas out. Huh?
What are you doing?
What happened?
What are you doing?
Not you. But I mean, if
You lucky it stopped. You been so lucky. You got so. And the interior is hard. Bro, they gonna get me copyrighted and I ain't in English. Now I gotta. I hope I'm talking over it louder. But they gonna get me copyrighted and. I hate when people do this. Bruh. Oh, you can't hear me? Nah, I hate when people do that. Now, where's that infinity? Did it blow up? This one you back up. I don't know. I see a bunch in the window. Me personally, I wouldn't go over there. You gotta back up. I ain't getting shot. That's crazy. But there's so many cuts in this video. We what? Team, I'm about to Timmy.
Yeah.
Look like everybody looking leaving. He's doing it backwards, bro. Bro, he's sliding his Honda up reverse. Hold on. No way, I ain't never seen shit like that. I ain't never seen something like that. I need to get like that. He don't care. I thought cops were coming to scare me. Watch out. I'm good. Stop playing with me. I'm sorry, bro. They say don't follow.
jumping, he's jumping, he's jumping, he's jumping, he's jumping. It smells like rice.
We all dipping. 12 can. This video gonna be all over the place, but damn, I left my front. I ain't leaving. What's it called? Let me correct that. I ain't know where he was. I can't leave him.